I'm Meg, and welcome to our first Scentsy Spotlight, where we will be highlighting features and benefits of Scentsy products that you can share with your customers. I'm here with Sumit Choraya, our Research and Development Manager, and the chemist behind the Scentsy Clean Bathroom Cleaner. Tell me, what makes a bathroom cleaner so awesome?
Well, it's a citric acid-based formula. This formula contains all natural cleaning agents. It does not have any harmful chemicals like bleach, phosphate, ammonia, chlorine, formaldehyde carriers, and triclosan.
Okay, so all the big words that we can't pronounce, it has none of those.
Yes.
And as always, it smells amazing. Can you show us how it works?
Of course. Imagine this piece of plexiglass that's covered in a soap scum is your shower door. I'm just going to let it sit for a few seconds so that product can remove the dirt without me doing anything.
Okay, so while we let that sit, can you tell me how the sprayer helps the formula work?
Well, it's important to recognize that most bathroom surfaces are vertical, so you need a product which can stay long enough on the surface to strip away the dirt and the grime. And the solution is a foaming sprayer.
Awesome. Do we think that's that long enough?
Yes, I'm just going to take a cloth and wipe it down.
Oh wow, that worked really well. I need to use this in my own bathroom on my own shower door. I noticed something about the formula that doesn't have antibacterial ingredients in it. Is it still effective?
Definitely. Makes no mistake, this is an effective cleaner that will attack dirt, grime, and the soap scum on your bathroom surfaces. But it will do so without any harmful chemicals which can be found in typical bathroom cleaners like chlorine.
Okay, that makes sense. Well, hats off to you and the entire team for formulating such an incredible product and an amazing addition to our clean line. That's all the time we have for today's Scentsy Spotlight. If you liked what you saw, share this video with your teams or tell us what other products you'd like us to spotlight in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and thank you, Sumit, for joining us.
Oh, thank you. Happy to be here.